Samsung is anticipated to reveal the Galaxy S24 series in mid-January 2024, but official renders of the devices have surfaced ahead of the launch. These images align with previous leaks of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, confirming the authenticity of the design. The official renders of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra have been disclosed by Windows Report. Additionally, full specifications for all three models have been revealed, including details about the heat dissipation system. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are expected to be available in 4 colors: amber yellow, cobalt violet, marble gray, and onyx black. As for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is rumored to feature a titanium frame, it is expected to come in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. The design of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus showcases extremely thin and symmetrical bezels, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra exhibits a squarish frame with almost flat sides and a flat screen. Additionally, it appears to come with a color-matched S Pen stylus. Moving on to specifications, the Galaxy S24 Ultra retains 4 rear cameras: a 200MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP primary camera with 5x optical zoom. It will be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor globally, while some variants of the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will feature the Exynos 2400 chipset in all countries except North America. In terms of RAM, the Galaxy S24 is reported to have 8GB. The Galaxy S24 Plus will be available in 8GB and 12GB variants, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra is claimed to come with 12GB of RAM regardless of storage capacity. Storage options include 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB for the S24 Ultra, 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB for the S24, and 256GB and 512GB for the S24 Plus. A significant upgrade in the upcoming phones is the larger vapor chamber heat dissipation systems. The Galaxy S24 is reported to have a 1.5x bigger vapor chamber system than the Galaxy S23, the S24 Plus a 1.6x bigger system than the S24, and the S24 Ultra a 1.9x bigger system than the S23 Ultra. Additional features include Wi-Fi 6E on the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus and Wi-Fi 7 on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. All 3 phones are expected to support 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB Type-C port. The report also suggests the inclusion of various AI and generative AI features. Detailed specifications for each model include a 6.2-inch OLED screen with full HD plus resolution and a 4000 mAh battery with 25W charging for the Galaxy S24, a 6.7-inch QHD plus OLED screen, 4900 mAh battery, and 45W fast charging for the Galaxy S24 Plus, and a 6.8-inch QHD plus OLED screen, 5000 mAh battery, and 45W fast charging for the Galaxy S24 Ultra.